Hello everyone friends, you're on the CryptoPump channel. Today, we'll dive into the world of earning on Binance by exploring how to use a Web3 wallet and participate in exciting token sales. Get ready for new financial discoveries. In this guide, I will reveal all the secrets of working with the Binance Web3 wallet, from setup to practical use for swaps and drops. We will also discuss how to properly participate in token sales, take loans to maximize profits, and earn from $100 without unnecessary risks. Everything will be presented step by step, simple and clear. I promise, if you watch until the end, you'll be able to take your first steps toward earning. By the way, if you're eager for more interesting earning schemes and helpful tips on Binance and Web3, be sure to check out our Telegram channel. There you'll find fresh guides, current market news, and a cozy chat for newcomers where you can ask questions and I'll be happy to answer them. The link is in the description. Don't miss out. What is the Web3 wallet on Binance? The Web3 wallet on Binance is a practical tool for interacting with decentralized finance directly within the exchange app. Let's take a closer look at what it is and what benefits it can bring, especially if you're just taking your first steps into the world of cryptocurrency. You have a standard account on Binance where your tokens are stored, and alongside it is a wallet that provides access to the world of DeFi. It's similar to MetaMask, but everything is consolidated in one app, eliminating the need to download additional software. You can easily switch between your spot account and Web3 for token exchanges or project participation. This saves time significantly and simplifies the entire process. The wallet supports multiple networks and works with over 30 blockchains, allowing you to use various coins and projects without being tied to a single network. For example, you can transfer BNB from the exchange and swap it for other tokens in DeFi with just a few clicks. This is especially convenient for beginners, as there's no need to navigate through multiple wallets. Security is top-notch. The wallet is non-custodial, meaning your assets are under your control, and not held by the exchange. The keys are protected using MPC technology. They are split into parts and securely stored. You don't need to remember a long seed phrase like in other wallets, just create a recovery password. Keep it safe, and access will always be with you. This significantly reduces the risk of errors and makes using the wallet much safer. Now, let's move on to the next point. How to create a Web3 wallet. First, you need to register on Binance. If you don't have an account yet, follow the link in the description below the video to open the Binance website. Fill in the required details and complete the verification, KYC. This step is mandatory for participating in promotions and sales. Now let's proceed to create the wallet. Open the app and switch to the Pro version of Binance. Then go to the Assets section, usually located at the bottom of the screen. At the top, you will see the wallet label. Click on it, find the Web3 tab, and press the Create button. The process takes just a few seconds. The system will generate your wallet and it will be ready for use. Next, you need to make a backup. After creating the wallet, the app will prompt you to secure access. Choose a method, for example, iCloud for iPhone or a QR code for other devices. The recovery password is crucial. Write it down on paper and store it in a safe place. If your phone is lost or broken, this password will allow you to regain access to the wallet. Confirm everything with check marks and click on Backup. After that, press OK, and the backup will be ready. As a result, you will have a fully functional Web3 wallet. Its address will be displayed on the screen, a long string of characters that you can use for transfers. You will see the send, receive, and transfer buttons. With them, you can manage your assets. Next, I'll tell you how to top up the wallet. To start, go to your Web3 wallet. Open the Binance app, go to the Wallet section, and switch to the Web3 tab. That's where your created wallet is located. Click the Receive button. A screen will appear, where you can choose the method for transferring funds. The most convenient way is to transfer from your Binance Exchange account. Select Incoming Transfer. Your spot account will be displayed at the top and your Web3 wallet at the bottom. If you need BNB for your activities, check your assets on the spot account, find BNB, specify the desired amount, and confirm the transfer. In just a few seconds, the tokens will appear in your Web3 wallet and you can see them in the Assets section. This solution is not only fast, but also free of extra fees within the exchange. If you don't have funds on Binance, you can top up your balance from another wallet. For example, if you have BNB on MetaMask or Bybit, simply copy the address of your Web3 wallet. It's displayed on the screen after you click Receive. Then open the other wallet, paste the copied address, select the amount, and send the funds. Don't forget to check the network. For BNB, it's usually BEP20 to ensure the tokens arrive without errors. After confirming the transaction, the assets will appear in your wallet. Let's move on to earning through swaps and drops. How to profit from them. Earning through swaps and drops in the Web3 wallet on Binance is a great way to increase your income with minimal effort. In this section, you can exchange tokens and participate in promotions from the exchange. The first step is token swapping. Your Web3 wallet has a swap feature. Go to the Assets section, select the tokens you have, such as BNB, and exchange them for others, let's say USDT or Doge. Specify the desired amount and click Execute Swap. Within a few minutes, the exchange will be completed, and you can see the updated assets in your wallet. This is a simple and convenient way to manage your tokens. Next is participating in drops. Binance periodically launches promotions where you can earn tokens by completing simple tasks. For example, there are occasional promotions with large prizes. The task can be very straightforward. Just perform a token swap, as I mentioned earlier. After completing the swap, you automatically become a participant in the promotion and get a chance to win a reward. This is a fantastic way to not only exchange tokens, but also receive additional bonuses. After the swap, you can withdraw your profit. Once the exchange is complete, transfer the new tokens back to your Binance spot account. Open the wallet, select transfer, specify the coin, like Doge that you received, and send it to your spot account. Then, sell these tokens for stablecoins or another currency on the exchange. The process takes a little time but allows you to secure a clean profit without unnecessary complications. Before participating in promotions, be sure to check that you have enough tokens in your balance. It's best to have a small reserve to cover fees. This will ensure a smooth process and minimize the risk of delays. The next way is to participate in sales on Binance. Sales are events for new token launches that present a great opportunity to profit by investing your assets. Now, all you have to do is patiently wait for the sale to begin. Binance announces new projects in advance and we keep track of all updates to stay informed. You can find all important news about sales in our Telegram channel. The link will be in the video description. Don't miss the chance to be among the first. When the timer appears, get ready. You'll need BNB to contribute to the pool. The amount required depends on the specific sale conditions, so it's important to familiarize yourself with the project information beforehand. Make sure you have the necessary amount in your wallet to avoid missing out on the opportunity. Wait for the timer to finish, so you can enter the sale in time and acquire the tokens you're interested in. When the time comes, contribute BNB to the project through your Web3 wallet. After that, you'll just need to wait for the distribution. This usually takes a few hours, and soon you'll receive your new tokens. In the past, I have earned between $100 to $500 from such sales, and it really works if you follow all the steps. After receiving the tokens, you can sell them on your spot account and secure your profit. Next, we move on to the next stage: how to take loans for sales and why are they needed. A loan can be useful, especially if you plan to participate in sales. When you buy BNB on the market before a sale, the price may rise due to demand, and after the sale, it could drop, potentially leading to losses. A loan allows you to avoid this issue. You borrow BNB temporarily, use it to participate in the sale, and return it without losing money on volatility. To take out a loan, open the Binance exchange, click on the Binance logo in the upper left corner, and enter Crypto Loan in the search bar. Select BNB as the asset you need and collateralize with stablecoins, USDT or USDC. Stablecoins are not subject to sharp fluctuations, so your capital will remain secure. How to arrange for a loan. In the loan section, specify the amount, a bit more than needed for the sale to account for deposit and withdrawal fees. Leave collateral in stablecoins, the amount of which depends on the exchange's terms. Confirm the arrangement and BNB will appear in your balance. After securing the loan, check the liquidation price. This is the level at which the loan will be closed if BNB's price falls too much. However, for sales, you only take out the loan for a few hours, and the likelihood of such a drop is minimal. Ensure that your collateral is sufficient, and everything will be under control. Then transfer the BNB to your Binance Web3 wallet and get ready for the sale. Finally, we've reached the main point: how to withdraw profits from a sale on Binance without unnecessary risks. After securing the loan, you have BNB. Now open the Binance app and wait for the sale timer to finish. That's when the token distribution begins. Once the timer expires, contribute your BNB to the project pool through your wallet. Next, you'll need to wait for the token distribution. Usually, within a couple of hours after contributing BNB, the exchange will issue you new tokens. That's your share from the sale. The number of tokens depends on your investment amount and the total number of participants. Don't worry if you can't sell the tokens immediately. The system might slow down in the first few minutes due to high traffic. Just wait a little longer and you'll be able to sell soon. Now, sell the tokens. Transfer the received coins to your Binance spot account. Open your Web3 wallet, select transfer, specify the tokens, and send them to your spot account. Then go to the trading section, find the pair with those coins, and sell them for stablecoins like USDT. This way, you secure your profit. After that, return the loan. Send the BNB back to the exchange where you took out the loan. Open the loan section, click repay, pay the minimal interest for a few hours of use, and return the collateral in stablecoins. Everything that remains after this is your net earnings. This scheme allows you to avoid losses if you follow the steps. Now you are equipped with all the necessary knowledge to profit from Binance using Web3 and increase your assets. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to the CryptoPump channel. The link to Binance is waiting for you in the description. If you want to receive more unique guides and strategies for earning, be sure to check out our Telegram channel. The link will be there too. See you in the next episodes.